So just to see if I'm even live. Just a second. So guys, we are live. Yes sir. So for now, let's just see Forex sessions, Forex pairs, and which they have some kind of news. As we can see, from 9 to 11 it's euro and GBP. It's nothing major like red ones, but still we need to be careful about these two because usually they have movements too. So let's just be careful during our trading. But for now I can see that we are in a good hands. Watching euro and watching GBP and watching euro. For now GBP swept low, which we have here a perfect market structure shift. So just to let you know, feel free to ask anything you want during this live. You can stop me and ask me anything because I will gladly answer your questions. So for now, let's just be here. Indices are slow in the morning, so we'll need time to see some kind of movement, but that's why we are going to watch euro and GBP USD for now. We will see a big drop. That's usually when news come from euro, and that's it. We just need to make market structure shift to push more above, to make a strong kind of. I will just mark these things because I want to know where is what. So this was tapped over 50%, and so this could be our potential threat. And here at the end we can see that we have some kind of small order block, but let's see what we will get. So we swept accept this low and waiting for now market structure shift to push above. Good morning to you. I don't know who is watching, but good morning. So right now it's just a waiting time and that's it. Like nothing to be said more than this. I will say when it's needed, and that's it. If you have any questions you can ask and I will gladly help you. Sorry, this is in the wrong spot. So threats for Euro USD would be something here. So we need to close above this one. I can see here because of this fair value gap overlapping. So right now here we got over 50%, so this would not be our threat, and we have it here, and we got like yeah, basically we got some kind of liquidity here to pick up. But let's see which one will push first. Let's see 4 hour. So we can see that we are kind of rejecting from this order block, but we tapped too many times, so I think this could be a great. If we look at volume, yeah, this was less, but the candlestick was not great, so you can see that this red was for this, but this came down all of this way and just pushed above, so I don't think of this order block, so I don't think this OB will hold, so that's why I'm looking for a buy. And for me euro got so great potential for a buy, but I will first need to see some kind of fair value gap or something to get inside. Let's see if people are awake or they are not. So right now we can see only that we got push, but still we didn't close above this wick, which would be great because then we will just have another green candlestick, and the room between this first candlesticks and third candlestick would be great fair value gap, and it will go in our favor. Hey Tajul, good morning. How are you today? So for now I don't see anything great, but let's just focus on setup and waiting for a great setup. For now I just want to see a big push. I don't like this one because it took order block that we had here. It tapped, so it's not that valid anymore. Same thing here, but I hope it will just make fair value gap somewhere here. So we have basically a breaker block with fair value gap overlapping, and that would be a great confirmation, a strong bullish setup. You don't need to rush trade, you only need to just wait for a setup, and that's it. Maybe sounds boring and everything, but trust me, it once you get it, like, it's basically like, how to say, it's basically like money machine, and you don't need to worry about. Guys, if you can, just leave a like if it's possible, just to get more views, and it will help me a lot. For indices, I'm not looking that. Yeah, I'm not that kind of worried because there will not be any soon. You can see every time that indices get set up more around 6 a.m. So yeah, let's see this big push above. I like this one because, and if this pushes more, this would be something like trendy order block, so that will be great. This was a great push. I hope it stays above, like above this candle, this one, because then I got space for fair value gap, and the next one can push more above. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I will gladly answer them, because usually it's boring and I do read a book or something else, but right now I'm with you guys, so I don't want to do that, and I want to speak with you guys. So ask any questions if you got any. This push, come on, what the fuck was that? Leave a green candle above. Nice, push more, give me that gap, fair value gap, I need it. Not some, oh my god, I don't like this. Maybe it's going for a new lows, we'll see. Oops, sorry. So to be honest, GBP USD would have a great displacement if right now he just like it needs to just go push above market structure shift. So I will wait for that only. Same thing with euro, but it needs to make new higher highs. I mean, sorry, make a market structure shift and then make a new higher high. This was a great push, but it's not going to leave me any fair value gap. That's why I'm worried. I mean, maybe it will. Maybe it will. Oh my god, my English is going to be terrible. Maybe entry on 3 minutes, but I will be forcing entry, so I don't like that type. How much? Oh. Yeah, there is no FVGs, but still, maybe on GBP USD we will got one. I'm not rushing into trade, to be honest. We got enough for 1 month, but if we got any setup, good setup, I will gladly take it. But again, I don't think it will go more up. I think it will just take this low, and after that low it will make something. So for now that's it basically. Yeah, only thing that can help us is just to take low and have another market structure shift, or just to push above and leave us fair value gap to work with. it's kind of consolidation movements, but we will see. There is a still chance that it can go lower down, especially on GBP USD. If we look at these ones, we are just watching like bullish. So yeah. I will just go to toilet and I will come back. Just a second. Oh, hell yeah, nice push. Let's see what we will have here, but I will use volume as confirmation. Let's see, here we got 2. So we potentially have 2 trades. For example, if this one and on the last low, so here and here, but it's 1 RR, which I will not take, and potentially we have it here, which will be last low. Yeah, I will take it as 2 at least, and that's it. But maybe it will get lower. Let's just wait for it. My nose. Oh my god, fui. So I don't know if anybody is watching, but right now we will have some kind of trade, maybe on both pairs, but let's just see how it plays out. And but I think more about this because we have basically a breaker block. So right now here we could use here for entry. Let's just see this candle how it closes. But anyway, I would look at it from this angle. The reason behind that is this breaker block is overlapping with FVG. Breaker block. That's why I would just consider taking this, and I would go for this low. Maybe even a little bit more down, just to be on 2R. Here you go. So just to wait this body to close, and here on overlapping breaker block I would like to get inside this entry. So I would just take everything out and send it into my Discord group. Just to place myself a trade. So on overlapping So I placed a trade. Now let's look where it is. So basically on this side I would look for this order block to be respected in a good way. And let's see if we get inside. I mean, basically if you just listen to this live, you can easily get your money done and see in live action. But it must fill up this gap first before moving on. So it looks like we'll get inside. Come on, just push a little bit down. That would be great. This is a potential trade, yeah. And we have it here too, but I don't know if I would take this one because of the news are coming and it's close. So I would rather stay out of it, and it must go on the last low, and it's 1.7, which is okay, but I don't like that odds. Again, feel free to ask any questions if you have it. And let's just wait what will happen with GBP USD. Nice, we got push inside. Now let's see if we are going to get tapped. Let's watch it. Come on. This push is not going in our favor, but it's all good. Let's see what's next. Yeah, get out. I will not be staying. Yeah. Hmm. I don't see anything like not a good. I mean, there is still this one, but I don't know if I would take it. I would just do any work beside ephemeral and escape. There is a lot of them, but you can watch on when it's some site like reviews brokers that I used before, and you can use it too, so that could help you a lot to see which one is the best for you. And you can watch on, I'll just watch on my YouTube just to check, just a second to check this. No. What the fuck? Just a second. Just a second. So this site, so use this site and find yourself a best broker. So there is a lot of them, and you can watch everything you need if you have account spreads. I usually wait on this, so it's execution speed, VPS speeds, and raw account spreads. So use that three, which will give you the best. But to be honest, don't go on paper stone. The reason behind that is that there you will not get 500 because you need to have like pictures of account over 100, 10, over 200, 300k. I was planning to open them there, but spreads are not the same as FP markets, for to be honest. And right now, I mean, I would say that you go with 8 cap, with Oanda, but you must see by yourself. Do your I won't saying because I don't want to be my fault later on if you think that's not a good broker. So you can use this site basically to help you find your best broker. FOMO, yeah. So euro just finished, it got tapped above, and I think it's news. How much is it? It's 3, so yeah, 9. Spanish flash CPI. I mean, I would kind of wait, but I don't know if it's going to make like lower. Tajul, what you use? So I'll be here, guys, just with you for some fun. And Sesco prop firms, brother. I mean, Sesco, if you want, you can go with prop firms. Everyone starts there, so you can go with it. But I never recommend that. Of course, first you need to go with demo because you never traded. Oh yeah, I forgot you are crazy. Who is crazy, me or Tajul? Do you think markets has their own prop firm? Think Capital. I got a 5K on one step challenge with them. Let's see what happens. So if you buy a prop firms from a broker, I think that's a safer way, but they're more expensive to start with. I think I'm right, but tell me if oh, he's saying that you're crazy because you're going with prop firms. I'm not gonna lie, but let's see others. For example, prop firms, Oanda. I know they got prop firm too. Yeah, but look at the fee, like, dude, really? I mean, 10K looks okay, 100, but it could be less. I would love to go with this one, but phase 1, phase 2, daily loss limit 5, maximum. Okay, I like this one, but I don't know if copy trading is allowed. Let's see spreads. Just a second. Let's see why on the I don't I don't enough funds to trade on live. I mean, you saw me doing like I started with 200, but I think once you get like funded few times and that's it, you'll be great. I want to hear about. Oh my god. Let's go. I don't want to look at this. I want to view all pairs they have. Spread only accounts. So margin tire. I'm looking on spreads. Spreads, give me spreads. Oh, here it is. I want to see, so GBP USD first. So 1.1. And I want to see NAS 100. So NAS 3.5. This is not good because I got one, I think. Just let me check. No, I will see on my broker. I mean on MetaTrader. Let's see. Yeah, I got one. Maybe 1.5, depends on how it's running. So that's the biggest. So now let's wait. US 30. So here on US 30 we have 4. On my US 30 we have 2.5. So better spreads are on FP markets. Yeah, nice. So I think this is going to be it for today's trading day, because later on are news and I will not be participating in news and I will just chill. I don't think I need to trade enough. So for this week I will just show you guys because you are here. So for this week we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, which 2 was lose. And when we look at whole month, we started, even it's not whole month, but we started somewhere third week. Yeah, third week, and then we got everything in check. So overall here we can see that we got total P&L of 1.3k live account. So, and we are on 80% win rate, which is great. If you have any questions, just ask me before I close my live. Nothing to ask. I guess I will just close my trading view and everything. So guys, thank you for staying here. And oh fuck, what did I do? Anyway, I'm playing with my phone. So that's it for today, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Let me go watch some reels. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, just ask inside my Discord. I will answer them. But for now, I'll just go and chill through the day. Thank you, and let's see you tomorrow.